be recorded for quality assurance purposes. Thank you for calling Pest Control. This call is recorded for quality and training purposes. Your call will be answered in the order it was received.
Thank you for calling Pest Control. This is
Hey, this is Prerak. How are you?
good. And yourself?
I'm doing good as well. I was told is one of the best in the pest control industries in New York specifically. And the reason why I'm actually calling is because I've put together a short free ebook showing you how to get new customer inquiries through Google. Would you like me to send you a link on WhatsApp? It's totally free, by the way. No card details required whatsoever.
Sure. Yeah, there is a, if you go to our website, there is a contact us section. Feel free to shoot that in there.
Would it be easy to send that link simply on WhatsApp, or else I can email you, Contact forms generally get lost in the spam or the other folders.
Oh, no, not with us, buddy. We're like a mom and pop shop that gets seen, all of it.
Ah, I get it. So you sell products, or do you serve in other areas and do pest exterminating?
Yeah, it's just we do, services and stuff like that.
Yeah, because that ebook specifically covers how pest exterminators can get more inquiries. I'm not sure how it would fit for selling products, but definitely for service locations and using Google Maps listing is something that can definitely help you. Would you like me to send you the link?
Yeah, like I said, man, if you want to go ahead and shoot that to us in the contact, we'll get it.
Do you have your your website address? I can note down and I can shoot that on contact form.
Yeah,
pestcontrol.com. Is that right?
that is correct.
Awesome. And just in case if I'm not able to access the contact page, do you have an email address?
Yeah, if you need that, just give us a call back.
Okay. Thanks so much. I hope you have a great day.
Yeah, not a problem, buddy. Have a good one.
You too. And that's how simple it is. So I know you guys have been asking me for quite some time that what other cold calling app we can use since Skype has shut down. So I think Call Hippo over here has been really helpful to me in the recent past. I've been recently starting to use this because I was relying on other client acquisition strategies which involve cold emailing, running Facebook ads, and other DMing strategies, where I'm now back at it. Skype has been shut down permanently, and I think Call Hippo is performing really great. In terms of pricing, it's pretty much similar at around 2,500 rupees or so every single month. You get one free number from US or Canada of your choice, and you can make unlimited calls. Like unlike Skype, where you had to purchase Skype credits every now and then, and you were charged based on the minute per call. Over here, you can literally make unlimited calls. Just make sure that you're not spamming calls one after the another. So yeah, that's pretty much there is. Although I haven't used any other features of Call Hippo, but it does have SMS functionality. You'll need to have that A2P registration. Once you do that, you can add credits over here. You can set SMS text, but if not, you can create or clone WhatsApp on your phone and register with this virtual number which is provided by Call Hippo. And yeah, it's pretty simple. You can use my affiliate link mentioned in the video description and pinned comment. It will be no cost to you. It will just help me create more engaging videos like this. So yeah, don't forget to check out that affiliate link. And I'm going to change my strategy a little bit over here. Instead of directly pitching my prospects with my SEO or PPC ad services, I have actually come up with a new kind of a system where I'm going to propose them to get free access to my ebook. And this ebook has literally covered everything in terms of Google My Business marketing. And I've put together a short ebook with the help of Canva, and with ConvertKit in place. I've documented that video earlier. on this channel on how to set up landing pages and opt-in forms in place. And the idea is that more or less, I've been surfing a lot on Reddit lately, and I've been trying to see what other cold callers are doing. And what I've come to realize is that no matter how much cold outreach you do, for a prospect to make a firm decision as to move ahead with you, or to be even give you a chance to see if, or basically I'm trying to say that if a prospect wants to just test the waters with you, they'll need to at least consume 7 hours of video content. So I have my YouTube channel over here. I've been putting some stuff which is filmed in English, including this video. And the reason I do this is because I know that this is going to get global audiences. And the idea is that those specific videos that I've filmed targeting local business owners is going to be sent out in forms of automation. So once they opt into my landing page form, we'll collect their email address, their first name, their last name, their phone number. That way we set up them an email automation campaign, and it's completely free. You can do it in ConvertKit. And the idea is that after day 1 of signing up, they will get one email. No pitch, nothing salesy. It will be just pure value, embedding one of my old YouTube videos which can help them, and then just following Gary Vee's principle, jab, 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 right hook kind of a method. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send about 3 to 4 cold emails following that opt-in, and the content of the email will be pretty much, check out this video, this might help you, I think this can help you for sure. And the last email would be asking them to jump on a short 15-minute Zoom call with me to see if our strategy would be right fit for them or not. So as you saw, this person was a bit hesitant to give out their email address or their WhatsApp phone number. So I really don't know how this will turn out, but at least this way, I am sure that this strategy can work, possibly work. This is not just my first call that I've made so far today. There are plenty of other calls directly hanged up on. Even after offering something free, people are not really easy to give in and buy into that stuff of free PDF or free ebook kind of thing. So yeah, I'm going to continue cold calling a lot of other businesses. And in the meantime, if you are interested in checking out how to set up your landing pages to mimic my workflow system, you can check this video out next.